Hey guys, this is a video about how to permanently activate Windows 10 using KMS software. This trick works on most of the Windows 10 version. So mine is Windows 10 Pro and it's not yet activated. So it's a really simple and easy trick. So first of all, you need to download our software using the link which I have provided in the description. So after downloading it, you need to extract it using WinRAR or 7-zip any software. So before extracting, head on to search and go to Windows Security. And turn off real-time protection. Turn this off. So if you don't turn this off first, it will consider the file as malware and automatically deletes it. So it's important you turn this off first. So if you want to permanently disable this feature, you can check out my other video. So after turning this off, head back to the downloads folder and extract it. Open it and run the KM Spyco setup. Click on yes. Next. Wait for it to get installed. So after the installation, the Windows will get automatically activated. Yeah, it's done. Let me show you. So as you can see, my Windows is now activated. So after installing this software and if you try to install any Windows updates, it gets deactivated automatically. So try not to updating your Windows. Thank you. Thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe.